Every year, industry leaders and forward-thinking shop owners come together for one purpose: growth. This September, join us for the DRIVE Expo 2025, happening from Thursday, September 18th to Saturday, September 20th at the Westgate Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. 3 days of powerful insights, proven strategies, and real-world solutions tailored to help your shop thrive. If you're serious about taking your business to the next level, this is where you need to be.
You know, we were doing 1.3 million when I started this program. We're tracking 3.7 million this year at a 60%. You know, all our stats are really good. You know, thank you. You know, that's something to be really proud of because, you know, Carla tells me, my coach always tells me, she goes, I love coaching you. You never question me. I said, Carla, I don't know the wrong way to do it. I've only been doing this for a short time. So most of the success has come in the last 3 years during COVID, you know. I do everything Drive offers. I do the Facebook Live shows. I go back and I rewind and I look back at the old shows. I use all of the apps they offer except for the Team Builder, which I'm going to work on. Fortunately, I haven't had any turnover in my shop, but that's no reason not to use it because as an owner of a business, it's my job to know everybody in my city who I might want to employ someday. If I could do that, then I have no worries ever about employees. You know, I'm very active in all the trainings. Larry's been awesome. You know, if you're not doing those action workshops, you're missing the boat because these are one-on-ones with a guy with 30 years plus experience in this business who wants to see us succeed.
Opportunities like this don't come around often. From September 18th to the 20th, the Westgate Resort and Casino in Las Vegas will host the most impactful event in the automotive industry. Secure your spot at DRIVE Expo 2025 and invest in the future of your business. Register now, and we'll see you there.